Ever heard about the default option or default effect? This is the option that is automatically chosen, the alternative the person will obtain if he or she does nothing. Experiments and studies have proven that making an option a default increases the likelihood of it to be picked. Sounds perhaps obvious to you, or is it all just too confusing? Well, let me give you an example and it will be more clear. Let us pretend you're going to fill out a survey. In the survey, you get the question, what would you like to eat? Let us say we don't really care about this and just let our option automatically be chosen. If the survey is designed to have the meat option as a default option, this will be selected. So if we want more people to reduce their meat consumption, we can help them by having the vegetarian option as a default option. Another example you might not think about is that most phones are today energy optimized. The phones have options for saving energy. This means they are programmed to be energy efficient in the way that when apps are not used, the phone is automatically closing the apps or making sure they are using less energy. This is today often a default option on your phone, meaning this is something most companies think the users want to have activated. But you can change your phone to not automatically optimize its energy usage if you want. But this is an example of how the default option has made us save energy.